Imagine effortlessly gliding through your home, leaving no trace of dust or debris behind. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of cutting-edge cleaning technology to unveil the top 6 best Dyson vacuums of this year. From cordless wonders to powerful uprights, these vacuums are engineered to redefine the way you clean. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for updated pricing, so let's get started. Number 6. Dyson V8. A testament to Dyson's commitment to delivering quality even at budget-friendly prices. Now, Dyson vacuums have a reputation for being on the pricier side, but fear not. The V8 is here to bridge the gap without compromising on performance. While it may lack the bells and whistles of its newer siblings like the V12 or V15, the V8 still stands tall in the fundamentals of what a cordless stick vacuum should be. Lightweight, easy to use, and delivering robust performance on most surfaces, the V8 is a solid choice for those who value efficiency over the latest tech gimmicks. Sure, it may not automatically adjust its suction power or boast an onboard dirt sensor, but if you don't find those features essential, the V8 is a reliable companion in your battle against dust and dirt. With 2 power modes catering to different surfaces, it's a versatile option. However, keep in mind that its battery performance may lag behind newer models, offering about 40 minutes of runtime in default mode. Now let's talk about its Achilles heel, the charging time. Running it in max mode drains the battery in under 10 minutes, so be swift when tackling stubborn messes. And yes, the build quality is somewhat delicate, but fear not, treat it with care and the V8 will be your cleaning ally without breaking the bank. Number 5. Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra. A vacuum that not only lives up to the Dyson Ball legacy, but goes the extra mile, especially if you share your space with pets, kids, or have a myriad of surfaces to tackle. The star of the show here is the anti-tangle motor bar, Dyson's ingenious solution to keep a floor head roller from turning into a hairball. While the setup may be a tad tricky, taking about 12 minutes to figure out, the Animal 3 Extra excels in debris and surface tests thanks to its adjustable motor bar catering to different floor types. But, and there's always a but, it does have a penchant for spitting larger debris in its path before eventually gobbling it up. A minor inconvenience easily mitigated by adjusting the motor bar to the highest setting. However, if you're eyeing this vacuum for stair duty, think twice. Its design and weight might pose challenges for staircase cleaning, especially if mobility is a concern. Nevertheless, the attachments shine with a special shoe-out to the pet grooming tool, a blessing for fur parents. While not as featherlight as Dyson's stick vacuums, the Animal 3 Extra earns its stripes as a versatile powerhouse, tackling messes big and small. Number 4. Dyson V11 Outsize. An upgraded version of the V11 torque drive. With a larger brush head and dustbin, plus a removable battery, the Outsize is the go-to choice for those seeking a cordless vacuum with proportions closer to a full-size model. Equipped with the same LCD screen showing battery life and adjustable suction, the Outsize boasts twice the runtime of the V11 torque drive, making it a marathon runner in the cleaning game. However, the larger size may make it a bit unwieldy to hold and maneuver, especially in tight spaces. But if you value a replaceable battery, extended runtime, and a wide cleaning path, the Dyson V11 Outsize might just be your cleaning companion of choice. It's a beast when it comes to covering more surface area, all while minimizing the hassle of frequent emptying or recharging. Number 3. Dyson Outsize Plus. The next level in Dyson's evolution. With a cleaner head 25% wider and a dustbin that's 150% bigger, the Outsize Plus is a powerhouse designed for large homes with diverse floor types and furry companions. Clocking in at an impressive 120 minutes of runtime, this vacuum is ready for the long haul. The LCD display and 3 cleaning modes, coupled with the laser slim, fluffy cleaner head, ensure a thorough cleaning experience. However, keep in mind that it doesn't automatically adjust suction based on floor type. You'll need to handle that with the included digital motor bar XL cleaner head. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. The Outsize Plus is a substantial investment, approaching the $1,000 mark. It might not be everyone's cup of tea, but if you're dealing with a large living space, various floor types, and pets leaving their mark, this vacuum could be your cleaning genie. Currently under our scrutiny, the Outsize Plus does trail slightly in suction power compared to the V15 Detect. Still, its ability to cover more ground while minimizing downtime for emptying or charging makes it a compelling choice for those with a spacious abode. Number 2. Dyson V12 Detect Slim. Showcasing Dyson's impressive lineup of cordless stick vacuums. Lightweight, maneuverable, and boasting a commendable 60 minutes of runtime on its lowest suction setting, the V12 Detect Slim is a force to be reckoned with in the cleaning arena. What sets it apart? The laser dirt detection feature. Imagine having a vacuum that illuminates dust and hair on hard floors, guiding you precisely where to clean. It's not just a gimmick, it's a game changer. Alongside the laser cleaner head, the V12 Detect Slim comes equipped with a motor bar cleaner head for carpets, a hair screw tool for pet hair, and a variety of other attachments that elevate its versatility. Unlike many of its cordless counterparts, the V12 Detect Slim ditches the trigger and opts for a single-button power control, making it user-friendly for all. And the cherry on top? An LCD screen that tracks the dust particles you've conquered, providing a visual testament to your cleaning triumphs. Now, if we have to nitpick, the dust bin size is on the smaller side, demanding frequent pit stops during larger cleaning sessions. But for its performance, innovation, and sheer user-friendliness, the V12 Detect Slim is a worthy contender for the top spot. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect. This cordless stick vacuum is not just a cleaning tool, it's a technological marvel that sets the bar high for home care. What makes it the reigning champion? Let's start with the built-in dirt sensor. This isn't just any sensor. It counts and measures the size of particles sucked into the vacuum, displaying the information on an LED screen. Perfect for allergy sufferers who want a glimpse into their home's allergen quantities. But that's not all. The V15 Detect boasts a surface detection system, automatically adjusting power on carpets and lowering it on hard floors. A 230 autowatt suction motor propels it to the top tier of cordless vacuums, rivaling even some corded models. Yes, it's that powerful. The laser slim fluffy cleaner head, equipped with a laser light to reveal small debris on bare surfaces, adds another layer of precision to your cleaning routine. And don't even get me started on the attachments. From a soft roller floor head to a conical turbo brush, Dyson has left no stone unturned in providing a comprehensive cleaning arsenal. Sure, its maximum runtime of over 70 minutes is more than sufficient for most cleaning sessions, but be mindful that it drops to just over 10 minutes in its most powerful suction mode. It's a trade-off for the raw power this vacuum brings to the table. If you're in the market for a cordless vacuum that combines cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and a touch of futuristic flair, the Dyson V15 Detect is your ultimate cleaning companion. And there you have it, a comprehensive journey through the top 6 best Dyson vacuums of this year. We hope this video helped you decide which one is right for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which one you are going to buy. Until next time, happy cleaning.